In this video, we'll explore the exciting world of modern PHP features. These enhancements and improvements are available in PHP version 8 and above. We'll cover a range of topics, including performance boosts, new syntax, enhanced type safety, and improved developer experience. Union types allows a function parameter or return value to accept multiple different types. In PHP 8.0 and later, this is achieved using the pipe symbol. Here's an example. The function process data accepts either an integer or a string as input. If the value is an integer, it returns the string number, followed by the integer's value. Otherwise, it returns text, followed by the string value. Key benefits of union types include acceptance of multiple types, better type checking, clearer documentation, and runtime validation. The match expression introduced in PHP 8.0 provides a more concise and powerful alternative to the switch statement. Here's an example of using match. We assign a result based on the value of a status variable. If the status is draft, the result is in progress. If it's published, the result is live. If it's archived, the result is inactive. And if none of these match, the default value is unknown. Key differences between match and switch include strict comparison using triple equals, the fact that it's an expression that returns a value, that there's no need for break statements, and that it's exhaustive by default. Named arguments, available in PHP 8.0 and later, allow you to pass arguments to a function by specifying the parameter name along with the value. Consider this function definition. Create user takes a name string, an email string, and an optional age integer with a default value of 25. We can call create user using named arguments like this. We specify the email and name parameters directly, skipping the age parameter. The advantages of named arguments are that they lead to self-documenting code, they provide parameter order flexibility, they allow skipping optional parameters, and they reduce errors. The Nullsafe Operator, introduced in PHP 8.0, provides a cleaner way to access properties and methods of an object that might be null. Here's how it simplifies null checking. The old way to access a nested property required multiple null checks. The new way using the Nullsafe Operator achieves the same result with much cleaner syntax. If any part of the chain is null, the entire expression short-circuits and returns null. Key benefits include built-in null safety, cleaner syntax, safe method chaining, and short-circuit evaluation. Attributes, available in PHP 8.0 and later, provide a way to add metadata to classes, methods, properties, and other language constructs. Attributes are declared using the number sign followed by square brackets. Here's an example of using attributes. We define a route for a user controller, validate an email property, and specify a caching strategy for the getUsers method, all using attributes. Common use cases for attributes include routing definitions, validation rules, caching strategies, and framework metadata. Constructor Property Promotion, available in PHP 8.0 and later, provides a shorthand syntax for declaring and initializing class properties in the constructor. Here's how it works. In this user class, we declare and initialize the name, email, and age properties directly in the constructor using the public and private keywords. This eliminates the need for separate property declarations and assignments. Benefits of Constructor Property Promotion include less boilerplate code, clearer constructor intent, automatic property assignment, and improved readability. Enumerations or Enums were introduced in PHP 8.1 as a way to define type-safe constants. Here's an example. The status enum defines three cases: draft, published, and archived, each with a corresponding string value. The enum also defines a method to return a label for each case. Features of enums include type-safe constants, method support, the concept of backed enums, and IDE autocomplete support. Read-only properties, available in PHP 8.1 and later, can only be initialized once, preventing modification after creation. Here's how they're used. In this user class, the ID and email properties are declared as read-only. This means they can only be set in the constructor and cannot be changed later. The name property, on the other hand, can be modified after creation. The advantages of read-only properties include immutability after creation, prevention of accidental changes, clear API contracts, and better performance. Modern PHP is characterized by several key features that transform development. These include improvements to the type system with union types, read-only properties, and strict typing. New syntax features like match expressions, named arguments, and the Nullsafe Operator. Structural enhancements such as Enums, attributes, and Constructor Promotion. Performance improvements through JIT compilation and optimized execution. Enhanced safety with better error handling and type safety. And an overall improved developer experience through cleaner code and improved tooling. PHP version 8 and above brings modern language features for better development. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.